Oh my goodness, it's good to see you. How are you? This is Carol. And today, I got some really cute things to show you. As I'm putting on my makeup, I say, oh, I have to tell my girls about this. All I've been using is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Definer. And the color I have is light brown. And you see how small that print is? I could read it. That's because my cataract surgery. This is excellent. I swear by this. This is perfect. This is excellent. This is cheap and it works. And I solved my dilemma. I've been putting my eyebrows on before I do any skincare or foundation. And it seems to stick much better. Otherwise, I'm wiping off the serums, the moisturizers, the sunscreen, the foundation, and it has a hard time sticking. But I just put it on right after I wash my face and then do my skincare. This works so good. So good. And another thing I've been using nonstop is the NYX Professional Makeup Skin Tint Eye Primer. It comes in black, it comes in white, and it comes in this skin tint color. And I love it. It doesn't interfere with any of your eyeshadows. Keeps your eyeshadows on all day. And it's cheap and it's perfect. These two products are great. Also, I'm wearing the Wet n Wild Dewy in Golden Beige. Love this. And it smells delicious. I mean, it smells great. It really does smell good. It's not like the original Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This one smells refreshing when you put it on. So, and this color is just perfection for me. Golden Beige. If you have yellow, orange undertones, if you're not a blue undertone woman, then this is a great color. Also, this is by Touche Eclat High Cover Radiant Concealer. I just put some on here and it blurs and it covers like a concealer, but on top of that it blurs. And then I could put a little here, and just do this. And this is not cheap, but it's fabulous, by Yves Saint Laurent. Another thing I've been doing is this. I know if you'd like some sparkle on your eyelids, but your eyelids, I mean, they may not look wrinkly when they have no makeup on, but the minute you start putting metallics or sparkles or glittery stuffs, shiny stuff on your eyelids, they look, if you're over a certain age, they're going to look wrinkled. So what I do is I use the NYX primer, and then I put just a little bit of a metallic eyeshadow, just right there. You see? Can you see it? There it is. Right there. Just a little bit. I can even go up a little higher. Just a little. So you can see it, but it's not going to capture all the wrinkles. Now, HENGFANG, HENGFANG, HENGFANG makes a lot of these fabulous metallic eyeliners. I'll put one right there. And you could find these on Amazon, and I will link them down below, Amazon or eBay. These are really, really nice, and all you need, see that? But all you need is a tiny little spot, like right in the middle. That's what you want to twinkle. You want your eye, when you move your eyelids, you want just that to sparkle. And that should solve your problem for wrinkly eyelids. Also, e.l.f. has this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful duo lipstick. Now, I'm not saying this is good for under your mask, because under my mask, I only wear Maybelline Matte Inks. Okay, and I wear these two colors, Driver 55 and Amazonian 70. And I wear other colors too, but that's what I have on today. On top of it, I have something shiny. Okay, 461 Something Shiny, and it is a nice shiny one. But something makes this special. I'm going to tell you why. It's such a special one. I talk about it probably 7 years now. Okay, this will not disturb your long-lasting lipsticks. Now, when I put it on top of these two Maybelline matte inks that don't move for anything, it doesn't move it. If you put regular gloss on top of long-lasting lipsticks, it's going to just dissolve, move around and dissolve. This doesn't. I use the pink when I use the pink though. But you see, it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And also this e.l.f. pencil lipstick duo. It's called Night and Day. Okay, so Night is this color. It's a beautiful, beautiful neutral. And then Day is this color. Gorgeous. These two are so great. The problem is that during this pandemic, I only wear lipsticks that are going to stay on once I take off my mask if I'm out during the day. Or this isn't long lasting, but it's fabulous and it's cheap and it looks good, and it's like a lipstick, like a not a long lasting one, but it's great. And this one is called Duo 5. One more thing with the makeup is this NYX by NYX. This is called NYX Professional Makeup Lip Pencil Nude Beige. Beautiful, beautiful color. Let's see. Look at that. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous color. If you're looking for a pencil that'll just go with everything, I don't match my pencils. I just outline my lips when I use a pencil. Otherwise, with these matte inks, which I'm always talking to you about, I outline my lips with this. It's just because it doesn't move, so it's perfect. Okay, let's see what else. What else? Oh, I have so many things to talk to you about. Look what came in the mail. Science Serum asked me if I wanted to try their product. I said yes, as long as they give me one for my viewers. So, I've got you one and me one. And they sent me the Clinical Moisture Serum and the Tight Eye. And for you, they sent the Tight Eye Clinical Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Okay, so the ingredients in this product are amazing. Amazing, amazing. But they're only meant to be put on your face until it dries. If you get this and it doesn't come out, that means that it's been too warm and it's turned into a solid. When it comes out a liquid, and then it turns from the heat of your skin into a solid, and it'll turn white. I'll show you some pictures. And when it turns white, that's when you take it off. About 5-10 minutes. You leave it on, and when it turns white, that means it's turned solid, and then you take it off. If yours doesn't work, the winner who gets this, if it doesn't work, you put it in the refrigerator to make it cold for 30 minutes, and then it'll be a liquid again. When you put it on your face, it will turn into a solid. While it's turning into a solid, it will tighten up your skin. And let me tell you what is in it. That's what's amazing about this. Amazing. It contains argireline, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, biopeptides, green caviar extract, and caffeine. Now, that alone would make me use this. Now, it's $125 on the Walmart site, and on their site, it's $70. I will put the link and the discount code below. You apply a dime-size amount of tie-dye to the skin area under each eye, it says. But I used it like on my marionette wrinkles, smile lines, and then over here. I also used it on my hands. They have scientifically formulated this to respond to the temperature of your body at a rapid rate by way of proprietary patented smart gel technology. Okay, 5 to 10 minutes, and then do not wipe it off until it has fully dried, and then take a cold rag to wipe it off. And also they say don't dab, you rub it in, you swipe it on your face. Now, the hyaluronic acid nourishes and hydrates collagen, gives your skin the firmness. The vitamin C is an antioxidant that slows the rate of free radical damage. Biopeptides are necessary for the skin to increase hydration to the collagen around the eyes. And green caviar has been proven to lessen key signs of aging, skin dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, and hyperpigmentation. And caffeine contains antioxidants which help perk up your complexion. Caffeine's ability to constrict small blood vessels and reduce inflammation is a number of products designed to minimize dark circles and sagging under the eyes. It says a lot more, but I don't. That's the main things. I'm trying to give you the shorter version. The ingredients are incredible. One of you will win. I would just like you to tell me, what kind of videos do you want from me? Am I doing the right kind of videos? Just tell me if I'm doing the right kind of videos, or you can suggest what you would like. And you have to be over 18 and a subscriber, and you will win this one. This one right here. It's not even opened. And I will send it out to you with some other goodies too. I am here to tell you the ingredients are incredible, and they do tighten your skin. I don't know if it makes anything disappear with long-term use. I haven't used it for long-term. I've just started to put it on like before my makeup. I'll put it on for 5 minutes, I'll take it off, and then I'll do my foundation. I can testify that the ingredients are incredible and that I have one for you. That's that for today's video. And if you'd like to be entered, just leave me a comment. And you don't have to say anything, or you can tell me what you'd like to see in a video. But if you leave a comment, I'm going to enter you. So, and I have a few more other things I have to show you that are just incredible. And just take a look at my eyelids. Is that incredible? Do you see how they just like glisten? And all you do is just put a little, I don't mean a liner of it, the whole eye, just a little spark. I will show it to you in another video. Plus, I'm going to do another one of these, the Samaj lifting stick for my neck, and see if it works. I'll put a video down below for it that I did already, and it did work. I want to see if it works again. So, we've got a lot of things coming up. I hope you are doing well and staying safe and praying for the world with me. I'm praying for you, and have a great week. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you.